This garden is it's an educational space really, and it's to encourage, it's for the local community, it's for community groups, it's for schools. Doesn't really matter if you've never gardened before or if you've loads of experience. If you want to come along and just to meet people as well, and you know, maybe and get a few guys who might want to be volunteers in the garden as well, or maybe just starting off on your own journey and you don't really know where to go about beginning. So this will just be a first little bit of basic information that can really just get you up and running. So then you can go on your journey yourself once you just get the structure in place. So we're all going to make mistakes. That's what organic gardening is, and things aren't going to work. The same thing that worked brilliant for you last year is not going to work this year, and there's always challenges. So once people are aware of that as well, that you're going to have failures, you know, even the best people in the world have failures. So it's just getting over. So just getting involved is the key first step for your journey, and then sure you can go from there, you know. So that's what it's all about. So we don't want to leave anybody behind, you know, so it's for everybody, like, you know, and if you're interested, you definitely belong here. So come down and join us.